All right, Nate. We need to take back our shot house.
Team deathmatch.
We could not get in a groove last game.
No.
There was that one dude
I
just
hit a
had
guy with
latency.
You've secured the lead.
Oh!
Possibly. Oh! That's it. Just quit. We're done. Just all I hear is just. Oh man, dude, is this like a little space marine here? Oh no.
Oh man! I quit.
I had him distracted.
Down. No!
Nate.
He did it again! He did it again! Dude! Dude, my brain hurts. My brain hurts.
Okay, dude, Nate. He came in the window. Nate, dude. Okay, I heard that dude shooting, and it didn't play the sound of you hitting him. It just played his body crumpling. So all I hear was, and then his body like crumbling to the floor.
Hostile UAV in the area. Mosquito standing by.
I don't know. What about in this thing here?
Behind us, I hear his sword.
What about in here in this cable car? Oh my gosh! I thought I killed him and you killed him. I love it. Man, this cable car sucks. Oh. Gosh, dude. You know, the part of the problem. Do me.
Should we wait right here? Ambush?
Don't be stupid. See, why would you ask this?
Not up above!
Oh. Gotta watch us kill game, dude. Look at us.
Moving this.
That was awesome.
Decoy engaged. Perfect!
Nate, I had the same thing.
Footsteps?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm dead. Aww.
There too!
Oh my god.
Dude, he was trying to throw something in! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh.
Nate, he's right here. Help.
I'm trying, dude.
He's a pro. Oh my god.
Oh! Hey. Oh!
Okay, I cannot get a kill now. So.
Friendly mosquito.
I'm done.
Securing objective Bravo. Charlie.
Another one!
We're losing Alpha.
Yep.
In! Oh my dude, she shot me like 5 times. And on the mirrors. Oh, so you just were collateral, dude. After she kills you, I just walk out into her stream of bullets. It's like, here's a free kill.
Friendly UAV online.
Get him.
Oh my god.
She's looking at me. I'm gonna bait her in. Help!
Got him on the right.
Oh, man! Oh my god! ending kill ever. Even though we didn't get it, this is amazing. Enjoy the show.
It's like.
I'll bait.
We've lost the
Okay.
lead.
Here, Nick, go! Go!
No, one behind me!
No, there isn't! No, there isn't!
Nate, behind you!
Way.
Oh, baby. Nate, right here. Nate, here! Oh, I'm just watching dudes. Right here. Nate, I'm behind the guy. I'm behind him, Nate.
I'm dead.
So is he.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Get in here. Dude, we're watching this.
Nate.
Oh! I can.
Oh!
Things, dude. What the hell?
Yeah.
Get ready,
Oh
get
yeah,
ready,
dude.
get
When
ready.
I
No!
hit a guy, it's killing him like a second later.
Some ammo.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
up!
Send
Up!
him.
Up!
Send him.
Dude, I swung so early.
Yes.
Yes, yes!
Dude. At the red.
What?
Nate.
What
he
is
just
this
popped around the
shotgun that he
corner,
has?
dude.
He's in there, Matt. Be careful.
Get in there! Follow me! It's not even a shotgun, it's a sniper rifle. But I got your back.
Yeah.
Nate, burst out to your left, same spot he was in before. Go. Got him distracted. Yeah!
Keep it up.
At least they got they have like an empty pot of gumbo. Get this pot out of here.
Empty gumbo.
Out the window.
Ooh.
Oh, oh, he saw me! He's coming!
Oh my god.